Hi students, we are going to use relational thinking in this new workplace game. First, let's look at this equation. 14 minus 5 equals, Well, I know that 14 minus 4 equals 10, so if we take away one more, that equals 9. Easy peasy, right? Here we go. Can you think of another combination that is equal to 14 minus 9? Look at this equation and the difference here. This equation is 14 minus 5 equals 9. This equation is 14 minus 9. Can you think of another combination that is equal to 14 minus 9? Well, I know that 14 minus 9 equals 5. So I know that, let's see, can we use those numbers in a different way? 14 minus 9 equals 5. 5 plus 9 equals 14. We need something to come up with that equals 5. Well, I know that 5 plus 0 equals 5. 10 minus 5 equals 5. 8 minus 3 equals 5. We know a lot of different combinations that can equal the same number. That's called relational thinking. This is how we're going to play the game. Today's game is called Subtraction Bingo. First, each player gets 5 number cards and chooses 2 of the 5 cards to add to make a sum. The sum must be a 2-digit number. Remember, sum means the total of at least 2 numbers being added together. So we get 5 cards, choose 2 of them to add together to make a sum that equals at least 10, a 2-digit number. Then each player chooses a card to subtract from the sum. Players find the difference and record the subtraction problem on their record sheet. Next, players look for an equivalent problem on the bingo board. If they find one, they cross it off. Play continues until one player has crossed out 4 problems in a row. Rows can be vertical, horizontal, or diagonal. Let's see how this game looks. On the next page, you'll click on this link to play the game. Because we're playing it online, you're going to play it against yourself, or you could play it against someone at home. There are directions here if you need to refresh, or you can re-listen to this video. Click down here on the page to go to the next screen. Then you can see our board. Okay. So I'll go over here. There's board A and board B. This is the same as player 1 and player 2. All right, so I'm going to play on board A. So I'll go over here. I'm going to pick 5 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 cards. Oops. Okay. Now I need to pick 2 of the cards to add together to make a sum that equals at least 10. I'm going to choose this card and this card. 10 plus 8 equals 18. Let's just double check the directions because I think I need to pick one more card. Okay. I picked 2 of the 5 cards to make a sum. It must be a digital number. It is because I chose 10 plus 8, which equals 18. Okay. Then each player chooses a card to subtract from the sum. Players find the difference and record it on the subtraction problem on their record sheet. All right, so I suppose I should be writing my numbers down here. Okay, so I'm just going to move my cards because I need to record all of my information and moves up here. So I got 10 plus 8 equals 18. Now I need to choose one more card to subtract from that number. So 18 minus blank equals, let's see what card I pick. Ooh, 18 minus 7. Well, I know that 18 minus 8 equals 10, so 18 minus 7 equals 11. Okay, that's my total. Now for the bingo aspect, I'm going to look at my board and see if I find any relative equations that also have a total of 11. 10 minus 7, no. This one's close, but nope. 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 We got it. 18 minus 7. So I'm going to cross that out on my bingo board. I'm ready for another turn, so I'm going to put these back into my discard pile down here. Let's do one more just for some practice. So I already have 2 cards. I need a total of 5. So here we go. 3, 4, 5. I'm going to choose 2 cards to add together. This time I'll choose this card, 3 and 0. That does not work. It needs to be at least 10. So I'll put this in my discard pile. 3 plus 4 is 7. And 6. Okay. 3 plus 4 plus 6 equals 13. I can do that so quickly because I know 4 plus 6 equals 10, plus 3 more equals 13. Okay, so now I have to choose one more card to subtract. 13 minus 1, 13 minus 1 equals 12. Okay, now I'm going to look on my bingo board. Let's see, do we see a 12? Here's one, and it lines up to create a bingo with my first number. Awesome. Your job today is to play subtraction bingo until you get a bingo. Remember to record all of your work here and upload a picture of your game here. Have fun.